Hello everyone. Today, I'm introducing the TwoSun TS500 folding knife. This is the first knife design I created for TwoSun. The blade is made from D2 steel and heat-treated by vacuum. It achieves a hardness of 59 to 61 HRC. The blade features a hand-sanded finish. The handle is crafted from titanium alloy with black linen micarta. It features an integral frame lock design. Now, let's disassemble the handle. This is the black linen micarta. This is the backspacer. It is made from titanium alloy. This washer is also made from titanium alloy. It is TwoSun's signature washer design. This is the stainless steel washer, which features a groove. It provides smoother and more secure opening and closing. This is the ceramic bearing system, which TwoSun has been using for smooth operation. Okay, now let's put it back together. There is a notch here. First, install the washer. The grooved side should face the ceramic bearing side. The concave side should face the ceramic side of the bearing. Okay. Okay. Now, let's test its sharpness. Excellent. It is extremely sharp. This knife is now available on our official auction website, starting from only 99 cents. If you like this design, visit our website and join the auction. www.twosun-yanjiang.com. Thank you.